How did the shift started happening? कि intentional living जैसे आपने apply करना start किया, like you started taking the small effort, I started taking the small effort. How did you do that?
Simple. Universe doesn't rewards thought. Universe rewards action. So I started taking action. There was one limiting belief exercise I did for 90 days.
Okay.
Constantly.
Okay.
Which I would like to share with everyone.
Please do.
So they can take the benefit out of it.
Yes.
I started writing down all my limiting beliefs, all the negative things on a piece of paper. I started countering it with a positive one, each of them.
Nice.
So the day one, I had almost 100 odd negative thoughts in my head, which came onto the piece of paper. Now, where I had all those negative thoughts, I burned that piece of paper and put it into the bin.
Yeah.
I did that for 90 days, every single day.
Consistently.
Doesn't matter you do it in the morning, afternoon, evening, but every person who needs to build a habit, at least they have to do it for 21 days.
Exactly.
Minimum.
Exactly.
To get that into the subconscious mind. And that's what I understood on the 91 day when I looked onto that piece of paper and I started writing the negative thought. There was none. There was none.
Exactly.
That's why मैंने क्या बोला? Repetition is the mother of mastery. The thing what you are doing today, the things what I am doing today, if we will keep doing that, in a decade, you and me and people like us will be on a different level. They will be a different person.
Correct.
Elon Musk is not Elon Musk because he had $180 million from the PayPal sale. But he had that intentional thinking that I want to go to moon. I want to create this SpaceX.
Yeah. People underestimate the power of thought.
Absolutely right.
Like I wouldn't be here if I had never a thought कि अच्छा मुझे ये चीज करनी है, मुझे लोगों की life impact करनी है. Like coming back to the why, right? I think the biggest why started for me at that point of time was initially मेरा goal ये था कि ठीक है, this is impossible for me to get like physically fit again. So let's challenge this notion itself. Like that is how it started beautifully. Right? And then मैंने सोचा कि यार अगर मैं उससे broken neck से if I can, I told my sister, I told my doctor, I became a case study for the doctor. In 9 months I'll get abs. COVID hit and a lot of things happened. I did it at home without a gym. Even people who are healthy can't do it in 9 months.
Yeah.
I came with a backlog of 100 kgs, losing all of my mass. Only thing I had was repetition, consistency, and constantly figuring it out.
Exactly.
Just like you started searching on stuff like, okay, how many people have broken necks?
Yes.
What have they done?
Yes.
How have they recovered?
Yes.
So I knew कि ठीक है ये recoverable चीज है, इससे तो मैं आने ही वाला हूँ बाहर. But the beauty, Jay, is if I can do this impossible right now, then ये सेम चीज तो मैं किसी भी जोन में अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ.
Exactly right.
किसी भी वॉक में अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ. Why limit it to physical ability?
Absolutely.
And funny enough, I realized this. I was not training my body. I was training my mind.
You are not training your mind. You are training the 86 billion neurons in your mind. That's the power people need to understand.
So true.
This tiny thing in your head, which is like a brain, is so much powerful that you can shake the entire world. Everything what is built by humankind except the nature is so powerful, so great, whether it's Taj Mahal, Eiffel Tower, the roads, the building.
We have reached Mars because of a thought कि we want to go to Mars.
Right. So अगर हम इतनी अच्छी beautiful चीजें हमारे आसपास बना सकते हैं, so is it really difficult for people like us to build our own life? No, it's not.
In fact, I am amazed that you use the same word.
Yeah.
Intentional living.
Yes.
It's a huge thing.
Yes.
People don't. So I want you to think and tell me कि ये कैसे करे कोई?
See, coming back to the thing जो आपने बात की ना कि you don't know from the day one.
Correct.
Even the kids, those who are born, they don't know how to walk from day one.
True.
ठीक है ना? Sachin is not Sachin because he born into the Tendulkar family. The reason why he's Sachin is because of the repetition is the mother of mastery.
Correct.
You see? So if you need a clarity, you need to repeatedly work on yourself. To get to that day or the time where you will know that, okay, this is what I want from my life. And that's exactly what I was doing. जो मैंने आपको बताया, mindset, mindfulness, I was figuring out, क्योंकि साला कभी बैठे ही नहीं थे 10 मिनट के लिए अपने आप के लिए टाइम निकालने के लिए.
Exactly.
What was self love? You know, what was self care? ये कोई
टॉपिक ही नहीं था
दिमाग में.
Correct.
But when understood, when started learning about it, what is the importance, you know, why Buddha was Buddha, why Dalai Lama is Dalai Lama, there is a reason behind that.
True.
You know?
True.
Because they have the life of intentional living.
True.
है ना? पर वो intentional living तक पहुंचने के लिए need a clarity. And the clarity will come from process.
Correct.
Structure. Start, middle and end.
Nice.
The reason why people, मैंने start में क्या बोला, the reason why people have a messy life is because they don't have structure, they don't have clarity. Now we have a structure. The way we have planned
Correct.
our trip to Mumbai, it's a structured event, you know.
Correct.
Because if you don't, the people, those who have achieved success in their life, they have a structure.
Correct.
In their life. They have a morning routine, you know, they have a time for self-care. You know, they have a time for family. But the problem क्या है आज के दिन की, कि लोग ज्यादा टाइम enjoyment and entertainment पे वेस्ट करते हैं rather than personal development. Exactly.
No introspection.
Exactly. मेरा सीधा formula है, which is LIME, LIME. You know, you spend 30% learning, 30% implementing, 30% masterminding, and 10% enjoying.
Correct.
Correct. If you have that structure and balance, you know, you will reach somewhere in your life.
Nice.
But right now, you're 80% or 70% going into watching videos on TikTok or YouTube or somewhere else, you know.
Giving your attention away to people who are just doing business on your attention.
Absolutely.
Right? People don't understand that. That's social media, right?
Yes.
I would love to give a hack here. Like मेरे को बड़ा प्यारा लगा जिस तरह से आपने इस चीज को summarize किया ना. I would love to give a hack कि जैसे मैं आपके साथ बैठा हूँ, conversation कर रहा हूँ. I'm absolutely enjoying this.
Yes.
This is sort of my. I never thought कि podcast can be such a beautiful sync of my talent and what I love. I like मैं दिन भर podcast कर सकता हूँ या the way I speak, like now I'm a public speaker, right?
Yes.
Like now I'm a mentor. So it all involves speaking and simplifying stuff for other people.
Yes.
This and I can do this all day. So it for me, that work that you're telling, मेरे लिए तो ये 100% enjoyment है.
Yes.
मेरा 100% work, 100% enjoyment है.
But that's what अभी कल परसों की बात है. I was talking to someone and we were discussing about public speaking.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, the biggest trait and biggest industry will be public speaking and communication.
It is.
Because people are isolating themselves.
Correct.
है ना?
Correct.
And in 5 years, you and me will sit here right where we are, and we will be in the biggest industry, which will be mental health in India.
Yeah, it is. It is. And people are starting to see that now.
Yes.
People are starting to see that now. So I want to summarize this. Step one is you seek some kind of clarity, and I would to give like actionable takeaways. I think start asking yourself question.
Yes.
Sit with yourself for 10
Why?
minutes.
What is your why?
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
That's the first thing you need to understand.
Exactly.
Why you want to do something in your life? Why? What is the reason behind that?
True.
If you want to go out and make, $1 million, why you want to make $1 million?
True.
What will you do after $1 million?
True.
You will chase another million. You will chase another million.
And it's
but
meaningless.
that will not satisfy you.
Correct. And it's meaningless.
Exactly right.
Or else there are like I've like seen this key, even the richest people are unhappy, right?
No.
If the money was directly correlated to happiness, they would be the happiest people around, right?
Because beliefs can create, beliefs can destroy. Simple as that. You know, your belief about making that $1 million will create you as a person. Your belief making that $1 million will create you and broke you.
Correct.
So you need to first work on yourself and ask yourself why.
So I heard like this beautiful line, and you also said it: before you earn, you learn, and then you return.
Yes.
So I tell this to people: you learn, you earn, and then you return.
Return, yeah.
Right? And then the cycle keeps on giving, keeps on giving, keeps on giving. Now I had a meaning behind it. अब तो मेरे को why ढूंढना पड़ेगा. See, we both were forced to find our why, but you don't need to go through an accident to find your why.
No.
right? So
That's what exactly I say. In every talk on the stage, I always say that you do not have to experience the death to start living your life.
living, correct.
You know, but problem is that people want to experience those days.
Yeah,
You know, people wants to experience the death before they start understanding the meaning, true meaning of life and true meaning of their being on this planet.
करेक्ट. अब मेरे को ऐसा जाके लगता है जय इज यू कैन नॉट फोर्स थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ.
No.
और सरेंडर बोलने में बड़ा आसान है, बट यू नो व्हेन वी बोथ वर इन अ फिजिकल स्टेट जहाँ पे हम ऐसे चुटकी बदल के नहीं बदल सकते थे. द ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट अबाउट योर जर्नी ऑल्सो, लाइक 4 साल, I think I remember you said 2020 में you get this opportunity with the Forbes.
Yeah.
You start making some money
Yes.
through online coaching, mentorship, any reason.
Yes.
But imagine the patience you have endured in that 4 years. That
Yes.
comes from surrender.
Yes.
So I want you to highlight the importance of surrender first. And second, I want you to tell me the first way you earned money,
Yes.
which made you feel like, acha, this is also possible in this life.
Absolutely. And see, when you talk about surrender, na, there is a great example of Mahatma Gandhi. है ना? He surrendered himself to one aim and one, I will say, action that he wants to see India free. Correct? And when he surrendered, what happened? The Britishers walked out of India.
Correct.
You know, people started connecting with him. And that's exactly what we need to understand. That surrender doesn't mean that you stop taking action. Surrender means that you are slowly and steadily moving into the right direction without an expectation. You are appreciating that my mom borrowed 45 lakhs from other people to pay for my mortgage in Australia. Appreciating that my wife was cleaning me, bathing me, changing my clothes when I was sitting on the wheelchair and also taking care of my daughter.
Yeah, raising a child
है ना?
along with you. Amazing.
Appreciating that my sister was a strong pillar, always letting me be strong in whatever I do in my life.
Correct.
That's what surrender is. People often make mistake that surrender means छोड़ दो सब कुछ. है ना? अपने आप होगा. अपने आप तो भगवान भी नहीं देता.
नीरज को पता है नीरज कौन है,
हाँ.
राइट? आई एम रीडिस्कवरिंग योरसेल्फ. लोग बोलते हैं ना कि मैं एक जन्म होता है, मैं बोलता हूँ आप हर 3 साल में जिंदा होते हो, मरते हो, जिंदा होते हो, मरते हो. यू कीप ऑन रीडिस्कवरिंग योरसेल्फ.
Exactly.
आई एम नॉट द नीरज 6 months ago. आई एम नॉट द नीरज 1 year ago. और मैं आज जो नीरज हूँ वो 1 साल बाद नहीं रहूंगा.
हाँ.
सो इजंट इट लाइक अ बर्थ एंड रीबर्थ साइकिल इन दिस लाइफ टाइम इटसेल्फ?
आई थिंक आपने 3 महीने बोला, मैं तो रोज बोलता हूँ. You are taking a birth and you are reliving the life every single day the time you wake up. कितने सारे लोग हैं जो उठते ही नहीं है.
परमानेंट स्लीप.
Exactly right. You are lucky enough that you are able to breathe another day. If you can, make it worth.
इफ यू कैन मेक इट वर्थ इट. आई टेल दिस टू पीपल कि आप हर चीज के साथ रह लो, रिग्रेट के साथ मत रहो.
नहीं.
सक्सेस भी झेल सकते हो, फेलियर भी झेल सकते हो, राइट? रिग्रेट नहीं झेल पाओगे.
हाँ.
Right.
And see, the problem क्या है? When you start clinging the past, you know, you go to the past.
Yeah.
But when you start appreciating the past, you are moving forward
Yeah.
smoothly.
Yeah.
But लोगों का problem क्या है? They start getting into so much into that dirt कि भाई मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मेरे साथ ये हो गया, मेरे साथ इसने ये कर दिया. ठीक है ना? अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ होता तो ऐसा हुआ होता. अरे भाई ऐसा ही होना था तेरे साथ. और तेरी जिंदगी में और तेरी लाइफ में यही लिखा था. क्यों? क्योंकि तूने ऐसे चॉइसेस अपनी लाइफ में लिए which led you to that position or the day you were in.
पता है, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है जय कि लोग सरेंडर क्यों नहीं कर पाते? बिकॉज सरेंडर करने के लिए ना आपको वल्नरेबल होना पड़ता है.
Exactly.
यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट योर
And people don't want to be
People
there.
don't want to do that. Like, आप मेरे को बताओ, it looks easy, but for you and me to tell our stories or to share our demons is not that easy. It's not that easy.
It was not.
It is not.
The day when we started doing it, you and me know how much effort we have to put in
Yeah.
just to start sharing with a person we don't know, the strangers around the world.
Exactly. And people have this notion that Neeraj is very comfortable in front of like being extrovert. I feel I'm still an introvert, but I'm extrovert because I am selectively choosing कि मेरा ये cause है. ये मेरा cause है, ये मेरा why है. If I don't do this, what else I do?
Because you have seen the other phase of it. You have seen the people, those who have improved by your sharing.
Exactly.
You have seen the people evolving, transforming by your sharing. And when you can see that you are impacting the people around you, nobody can stop you from sharing whatever you are going through in your life.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, you will share with open heart.
Yeah.
And people will make joke of it. People will make fun of it. But that will not bother you.
It doesn't.
It
doesn't
will not.
anymore.
It will
doesn't.
not.
It doesn't anymore. And you have to be patient enough to reach that stage.
Exactly right.
आप मेरे को बताओ, मैं जब क्विट कर रहा हूँ, my parents, nobody, they still are processing it, to be very honest. Nobody understands.
I know.
And it's okay if nobody understands it. Why would they understand it?
No.
Because see, अगर आप बीज हो जिसमें potential है to become the greatest tree in that forest, only you can reach that height.
Exactly right.
उनके पास तो वो विजन ही नहीं है.
नहीं है.
वो विजन ही नहीं है. So until you reach some height, then मतलब उनको वो थोड़ा सा रिजल्ट आने के बाद, for you it doesn't, you don't care about the result anymore, because
No.
for आपके लिए वो एक grand scheme of process है.
हाँ.
But for them, they are still living in the reality they want you to live in.
Yes.
तो उनके लिए तो आपको थोड़ा सा पेशेंट होना पड़ेगा कि ठीक है आज, you know, when my mom saw कि ठीक है मेरे लड़के के कुछ तो ढंग का ही कर रहा होगा,
हाँ, exactly.
कुछ तो
हाँ.
she still ask me,
हाँ.
okay, you know, you're doing this, पैसा कितना मिल रहा है? She doesn't care.
Always come down to that.
Yeah, it all will come down to that. Like, she doesn't care how many lives have impacted, like touched 20 million lives in this 1 year. But I am so grateful for it. And I know my mom can't see it yet, but 5 years from now, she'll be like so happy, she'll be so proud. But for that day to come, I have to trust myself.
Absolutely.
और मैं surrender की भी अगर आपसे बात करूँ, you know, a lot of people still say this thing, अरे यार छोड़ना है यार, लेकिन छूटता नहीं है.
हाँ.
जॉब, दारू, कुछ भी छूटता नहीं है.
छूटता.
क्यों? क्योंकि वो जो सरेंडर हम बोलते हैं ना इनसिक्योरिटीज की, अगर मैं छोड़ दिया तो यार इट्स अ हार्ड वर्क टू रीबिल्ड योर सेल्फ. वो हार्ड वर्क आपको करना नहीं है, बट आपको एक्सक्यूज देना है कि यार इम्पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि यार ऐसा तो होता ही नहीं है, वरना ऐसा होता तो 99% लोग छोड़ देते और कुछ कर रहे होते. बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट गोइंग इनटू दैट जर्नी, जय, आई एम श्योर यू हैव रियलाइज्ड दिस, यू हैव मेट सो मेनी पीपल हु आर डूइंग इवन क्रेजियर स्टफ देन यू. यू लाइक माय गॉड, ये मैं कर रहा हूँ, ये डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है तुझे?
डेफिनेटली.
अरे ये कुछ नहीं है. ये कुछ नहीं है. एंड it feels very, very funny when these people ask me this thing. What you lack is just commitment. बाकी सारी चीजें फिगर आउट हो जाएंगी. आपको यहाँ से पुणे जाना है, अहमदाबाद जाना है, आपको एक साथ थोड़ी ना पूरा गूगल मैप देखते हो, लेफ्ट या राइट ही देखते हो ना. तो एक तो डिसीजन लो. मेरे को पता नहीं था मैं आज आपके साथ बैठा रहूंगा, ये सारी चीजें हो रही होंगी, बट मैंने एक डिसीजन लिया, उसके बाद तो मैंने लेफ्ट राइट ही लिया है.
हाँ, बिकॉज ये जो लोग हैं ना, दे आर ड्राइविंग द कार विदाउट द नेविगेशन, एंड व्हेन यू डू दैट देयर इज नो डेस्टिनेशन.
कम्स डाउन टू इंटेंशनल लिविंग,
है ना. और दूसरी बात जो आपने बोली ना पेरेंट्स की, ठीक है, और ये मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, डू व्हाट योर पेरेंट्स हैव नेवर डन, बिकॉज व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट, you are breaking the barriers, not within yourself, but within the society.
Exactly, generational barriers.
Exactly right. क्योंकि हमारे जो पेरेंट्स है ना, दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट जनरेशन. तो उनका जो माइंडसेट है ना, वो कंडीशनड है.
करेक्ट.
और उसको तुम रीवायर करने की कोशिश भी करोगे ना, नहीं कर पाओगे. तो इट्स बेटर यू बिल्ड योरसेल्फ, ओके, एंड लेट देम फॉलो थ्रू.
I'll tell you this, because I see this as very humble thing. I had a very difficult childhood, to be very honest. Whether it was finance, whether it was my health, whether it was a lot of things, I had to be isolated.
Okay.
I did my engineering on myself, paid the education loan. I used to go from my college to the different side of Pune to do a job in a call center. From there, come back to the home where I used to survive on a vada pav or something. I was malnourished at that point of time. I'm doing engineering, and even being malnourished, I topped in my class in the entire college.
Nice.
Right? And confidence मेरा build होते गया, because I feel like I've been built brick by brick. What can you take away from me?
No,
Nothing. And the point is, even if you do, I know how to build it again.
Yes.
So I don't have the insecurity of losing. आधे लोग इस गम में दुखी रहते हैं कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता, आधे लोग इस गम में दुखी रहते हैं कि मैंने कर लिया, अब इसको खोना दो.
खोना दो.
Right? Isn't it funny?
Exactly, because see that's what people don't understand ना, कि भाई तेरा कुछ भी नहीं है और ना तेरा होने वाला है.
It is
है ना?
temporary.
और हमारे तो what did Krishna told Arjun in Mahabharata? The human life is to find the highest potential. If you cannot find that, you are not worth to live on in this life. And that's what Krishna Bhagwan was trying to make understand Arjun, कि भाई तेरा कर्तव्य क्या है, तेरा कर्तव्य और तेरा धर्म ये है. And when you understand your dharma, ठीक है, when you understand your karma, you will not be worried about कि मैं क्या खो दूंगा और मैं क्या नहीं कर सकता.
हाँ.
है ना, क्योंकि अर्जुन के पास खोने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ था.
Correct.
And that's why he was worried.
Correct.
कि यार मैं अपने लोगों को ही क्यों मारूं. है ना. But that's what Krishna Bhagwan was making him understand, कि वो उनका कर्म है. तेरा कर्म ये है कि तू इस रथ पे बैठ के उनके साथ लड़, क्योंकि तुझे इसीलिए जन्म दिया गया है. तो हमारा जन्म इस लाइफ में जहां पर हम जी रहे हैं, आर वी अ पैसेंजर और आर वी अ क्रिएटर? I believe that we are a creator.